What's up guys, it's me TK here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make videos. So, how I make my videos, I'm on Android by the way, is that first I go to the App Store, alright, I go to the App Store, and then I search up screen recorder, alright. But as you may know, there's already a screen recorder up here. I don't know what that is. But there's a screen recorder up on the top there, but I don't like that one. So instead, I scroll for a bit, right? Alright. So, just wait a sec. I can't find the one that I always use. Give me a sec. Just give me a sec. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know where I got this from. But, I use this screen recorder, this blue one that I always use. Alright, that's the screen recorder I always use for my videos. So find that in the App Store somehow, I don't know where it is. Then, make sure you have a YouTube account with youtube.com. So go to the App Store. Alright, search up YouTube. And you should get this one, YouTube. The one that is blue. Okay. And make sure you have an account with it, like me, alright? Then right after, what you want to do, wait a minute. Let me just delete. I don't mind that part of the video, guys. And then right after, what you want to do is that you want to search up YouTube Studio, okay? Now, if you want the app, you can download it. But for me, I ain't trying to do that and link my account again because I'm lazy. And then you want to scroll a bit down, okay? Until you see Studio YouTube, alright? Click on that. And now that you have your YouTube account linked, it will show you, like, for me, I already, like, set it to which one I want it on, the browser or, like, on the thing. But it should show you, like, which one do you want to use on your YouTube account or on the browser. And then, whatever videos that you make, you could go right up here to where your profile is. Click upload, alright? But, for me, every time when I create video, right, I have to reset my tablet so I could get the video in my files. But we'll get into that in a sec. And here, like, this is like your channel content and stuff. Then, like, right here it says drag and drop video files to upload. Now click select files, okay? And it should take you to this. And, like, whatever videos you have, like the video that I just posted, my recent video, or like, a fight. Yeah, this is where you post them. So select one. Alright, it should be uploading. And this is where you can, like, like, do some stuff with it. You can make it the title. You can make the title whatever you want. You can put the description. You can upload your file, like, you can, like, take a picture of something, whatever you want. And then, like, you put it in there, and then you upload it, or you can select the video. A or B testing, I don't know what that means. This is where you can add to your playlist. You could say it's for kids and stuff. Age restriction. all that stuff, promotion, and yeah. No, I'm trying to wait. Okay, yeah, we have to set to that so we can move on. We could put the end screen, promote your videos. We could put the promote related content during my video. Subtitles, like the chats, there's nothing for you. Like the visibility, you could say if you want for you, well, like only my people or like my subscribers. You could say, I think, or you could set to unlisted with any one of the video links, or public. Anyone could watch your video, and you could set as a premiere if you want. Schedule a date for my video to be public, and like yeah. So once you publish it, it will take a while for it to like upload, and then you can find it in your YouTube channel or video or whatever. And that's how I make my videos. And by the way, if you don't know what this video is, I took a screenshot of Roblox of it looks like Velzo fighting another person. And this I don't know if this is real Velzo. I'm sorry guys. I'm on my bed right now. I'm not trying to go to my setup. But it looks like this is Velzo right here. I recorded him, so I'm gonna go to my screen recorder. No, wait. Camera. That's my friend talking to him. And look what we have here. It looks like Velzo fighting another person. So, not the penguin with the hair, but just, you know, just a regular penguin. I think that gotta be him. Velzo, if this is you, I don't know. But look. He definitely plays like regular Velzo. And he mains Akari. Ha! They both counted right there. He's using Akari too, and I think Velzo does main Akari. And he has the kill sound effect. He has the Rika kill sound effect. And it just goes into that domain. But yeah. That's how I make my videos, and I think that might be Velzo. And yeah, I'm not actually posting this video for some reason. I don't know. But if you want to see more explaining content like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And that was me, TK, and I am out.